Hi, I'm Marva Sletton. I'm a physical therapist and a certified Traeger practitioner. Traeger is movement awareness training and body work. And what I wanted to talk about today is the fact that along with the COVID pandemic, we're also experiencing an epidemic of stress and anxiety. And I think most of us need a little extra attention right now to being calm and centered. So I just wanted to share a little practice with you that I find really helpful. It only takes a few minutes and really helps to make me more relaxed. So let's start with just placing your hand right here on your chest and just close your eyes and just take a minute and sort of let everything let everything else go. Let any distracting thoughts or concerns go. And focus your attention on your body versus thoughts and concerns. So you'll probably start to notice the temperature of the skin on your chest. Just take a minute and get a sense of that. And then you might notice the texture of the skin on your chest. And if you start to move your hands slightly, you'll be able to feel the skin move. And you may notice if you move it in one direction versus another, it may move more easily one way than another. And then you might notice the bones of your chest, the ribs, breastbone, maybe the collarbone. And you probably start to notice the movement of your chest, the rise and fall as you inhale and exhale. And as you begin to relax a little bit more, you may notice a difference in your breathing. It may be slower, it may be deeper. And you may start to notice a release of tension in your neck and shoulders, and maybe also in your face, in your jaw. You may feel a sort of softening of your eyes. Feel your tongue just resting in your mouth. And if you stay with that and become a little bit more curious, you'll also notice the way your skin on your chest is able to sense your hand, the temperature of your hand, the softness of the pressure of your hand just resting there. And you'll feel your hand move as your chest rises and falls with your breath. So just stay with that for a minute and just notice what a pleasant sensation it is to it's sort of a refuge from all of the busyness in our brains, all of the thinking. And just how pleasant it is to tune into our bodies versus so much thinking. We know from neuroscience that a couple of the best ways to calm the nervous system are working with your breath, slowing it, deepening it, and also by focusing your attention on your bodily sensations. That does a couple of things. It brings your attention, again, out of your head into your body. And as you become more aware of your bodily sensations, you begin to notice cues of stress and anxiety more quickly, and so that you're able to interrupt them sooner before they develop into some other problem. So the Traeger work that I do is about helping you to develop your sensory awareness. So I'm hoping that you found this helpful. I feel more relaxed. And I'm hoping that you find it interesting and that you'll pursue coming to see me for a Traeger session. You can find me at the Lotus Blossom Clinic. You can also reach me by phone. My cell number is 239-910-7577. Or my email address is marvasletton@gmail.com. That's MarvaSletten@gmail.com. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope to see you